A cloudy day with a band of heavy rain moving south. The outlook turns colder with an increased chance of seeing snow. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Tuesday.
Atmospheric river. It's been bringing colossal amounts of rain. Bella have had 300 millimetres. That is 5 times what they should have normally this month in just a few days, and there is more set to come. It's this thing called a pineapple express. It basically brings hot air from Hawaii all the way towards the west coast of America, dumping huge amounts of rain. It'll also bring colossal amounts of snow across the mountains, so like I said, getting worse before it gets better. Well, Andy there on the same time zone as us in South Africa, but the other half of the world, the southern hemisphere, meaning it is the middle of summer for them. So 24 degrees with sunshine, the chance of a shower and also a breezy day ahead, which we just saw. Yes, cloudy, grey, dull, damp and mild, but a battleground is set up for the weather at the moment. We have this cold air waiting in the wings to the north, but the mild air that's been with us to the south. And between the two, the jet stream, and that is where our weather happens. That is where our conveyor belt of weather fronts bring rain. And when we have cold air meets rain, we see the chance of snow, and that is likely to happen on Thursday and Friday, with warnings already in force for that. But here's what's happening for today. A band of rain moving its way south with brighter conditions following on from the north, but sticking with that cloudy, dull and damp in the south. Here's how it looks first thing this morning. The radar shows this band of rain dividing the mild and the cold. So as we head through the day, heavy rain clears from Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, then clears away from northern England into the Midlands and Wales. It sees the band of rain heaviest through Welsh mountains. In the south, it is cloudy, dull, damp, breezy and mild. Further north, plenty of sunshine, but feeling colder with snow showers for northern Scotland and blizzards for Shetland. Good morning to you. A battleground is set with the weather as we head through the next few days. The southern half of the UK dominated by cloudy, grey, mild conditions. The northern half dominated by cold. And as this cold floods in, then more wet weather moves in from the south later this week. A recipe for snow. Yes, I'll have more on that in just a moment. Morning to you. The weather today dominated by cloudy, wet weather slipping its way southwards and then colder air moving in from the north. And that battleground is set for the next few days. Cold, sunny conditions in the north where we have a warning for snow across Shetland, where we could see blizzard-like conditions with the heavy snow here. Cold and sunny for Scotland and Northern Ireland. That creeps into northern areas of England. But a band of rain moves south. It is cloudy, wet and windy for the rest of England. Heavy rain in Wales. But look at these temperatures, mild, 14 degrees in the south.